This is a purely private sector-led intervention, which has culminated in this facility that has given us an isolation and treatment center that can boast of 500 beds plus. So we thank all the donors, as was earlier indicated by the chairman of the committee, as well as all members of the committee mentioned, as well as those not mentioned who have been co-opted, who have worked tirelessly over the last few weeks to present to us what we have here. In addition to this facility you are seeing here, already we are in discussion with the committee to see where we are going to move for the next new isolation center. So please kindly thank them on our behalf. However, as you are aware, as at yesterday, 10th May, the FCT had recorded a total of 356 positive cases, out of which 53 patients have been discharged, and we recorded 6 deaths. Our hope is that this shouldn't escalate beyond this level. And for that to happen, we have to all work very, very hard and together to ensure that all the protocols established with respect to health and security matters regarding COVID-19 are adhered to. As you are aware, for the last 1 week, a gradual process of easing of lockdown had commenced in the FCT. But our experience has shown that the wider community, up to now, is not very compliant with respect to social distance and all the other items mentioned. So I want to use this opportunity to say that while in the FCT, based on what we have here and what we have at Asokoro District Hospital, and what we have at the Karu General Hospital, and other facilities being provided by other well-meaning institutions and organizations, we could say yes, we have enough redundancy, if I could use a medical word, of bed spaces. So every person, every citizen of the FCT has to take this fight as a personal fight for survival. And this is my message to the territory and to all of you. And finally, the FCT administration also has been trying to provide palliative to the most vulnerable members of our community. So the palliatives are being handled and distributed very professionally and well acknowledged by my colleague, the Honorable Minister of State. So I would like to use this opportunity to thank her also on behalf of all of us. A lot of people have been working on this fight day and night. Many of them know, but a substantial number of them not known. And these are the medical workers that we don't see here. Many of the journalists that are not here. Many of the frontline drivers. Many of those that are in the various communities working on sensitization. And many people also in our FCT call center who have been working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So I want to use this opportunity to say a big thank you to all of you.